Today we're here at this beautiful reservoir to have this test run for LUCKYSMART new model LBT-1-GPS. It's in front of me. The shape is pretty cool, and the color, I like the color, metal. So press the start to see what it looks and how it works. Okay, so it needs system initialization. Okay, so for you better look at, I just enlarge the camera. Okay, yeah, satellite searching. Okay, so for the satellite, if you it's the open wild like me, so you will get a satellite pretty fast. But if you stay in the city or staying at home, or there's a roof above you, maybe it takes longer to search for the satellite. There's a little notice pop up. It says the device is made for beta only. Don't use it as your primary navigator. So got it. Press enter to start. Okay. So on the desktop, you can see there's 4 icons. The go to the sonar system and demo. So let's go to look at it one by one. So if you go to go to, it's just like the screen shows the, on the left hand side shows the sonar, on the right hand side shows the GPS. On the right hand side button there's a compass, little compass indicates the direction of the boat. And there's some other figures. You can get the satellite number, the speed of boat, destinations, the boat voltage, memory, and also the original distance, which means the distance from the home points. Okay, so there's a notice showing, because I haven't put boat on water, so it shows there's no signal. Doesn't matter, I can test it later. So if you go to the sonar, it's pretty much the setting for all the sonar details. The first is the sensitivity. So the sensitivity means the power of the sonar. So the stronger it gets, the more details you can get from the water. The weak, to make the sensitivity less, which means you can get less details, which means you can get less noise. So it depends on what kind of the water environment you're using. You can choose from the sensitivity. Depth range, normally I will go for auto, yeah, because the system will adjust the depth range by itself, depends on the maximum depth. But if you are a master and you want to look at the certain range, you can just do it manually. But what I suggest is just go to the auto. The fish icon, straightforward, whether you want to display the fish icon, not on or off. Surface clarity, which means you can adjust there's anti-noise little functions to get avoid of those noise from the water surface. Sonar color, easy. Choose the color of the sonar. I will stay with blue. And the chart speed means how fast the screen roll over to see the sonar history. Okay, so you can just adjust from 0% to 100%, from lowest to fast. Okay, so let's go to system. System is setting about all the other like language, so you can choose all the language. Backlight, you can adjust the backlight, and alarm, you can set all sorts of alarm, fishing alarm, SARA alarm. So if the boat is in certain depths, it will give you the alarm, yeah. And the rifle alarm, we will talk about that later. So if you reach the destination, you can set there's a certain number, like 5 meters, it will give you the notification. Yeah, of course, device voltage, boat voltage. Okay, you can set all kinds of alarms here. Units, yeah, you see, you can choose either from the sonar unit, from the degree, or the cells, the meters, or feet, or measurements, the kilometers or miles. Time zone is, you can set up your time zone. It will influence the name of the faster saving. So faster save point, you will know about that later. I will show you later. The format, yes, it's easy. And orientation, I need to explain this. Is you got 2 orientation. One is north up, which means the on the map is always direct to north. North is always on the front. The head up means you always put the boat's head as the front. Okay. Okay, the factory set. If you are confused with or forget what you do with the setting, you can just always go to the factory set to get this factory setting. And about that's the software version. Okay, so the last one is the demo mode. Demo mode is just like easy. If you want to show to your friend or show to your client, show to your customer, you can just go to the demo mode. It will indicate it will shows you the screen, what the screen should be look like if it's working on water. So you can see the depth of water, you can see the temperature of water, you can see the sonar chart, you can see the GPS, the location, the zoom in, zoom out, the home point position, the compass, the satellite number or speed. Just a demo for you to show others. Okay, so that's pretty much, it's quite simple and straightforward. And let's now put boats on water and see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, the boat is on water now. And when you look at the screen, it starts to read the temperature now is 10 degrees, and the depth is 0.7. Actually, below. If the depth is less than 1 meter, it's always displayed at 0.7. Actually, that's the minimum. That's the minimum depth the sonar works. The satellite's good. It's green, and the speed, because of the wave speed. The boat is moving so slow, and the first thing we need to do is set up the home point to let the system knows where's your home. So what you do is go to the menu button, choose the set home position, and you can see on the screen there's a little icon here. It means the home. It'll start with H. Okay, so let's go. As you can see, when the boat's going out, it starts reading the depths. Now the depth is 2.1 meters, temperature still 10, and you will see that there's a route drawing from the GPS, indicates the boat is going out. So let's enlarge the screen. You will see, yes, okay. So it's keep going. You can see the distance from original now is increasing to 44. And because we haven't set any destinations, so it remains 0. The speed is 4 kilometers per hour. And then you can see actually there's a drawing from the GPS. I can spot some fish here. So I probably want to save it as a point. So what I do is just go to the menu, go to the quick save. There's a quick marker. Press again, and press again. That's the fastest way to save the point. And on the screen you can see actually we've already saved this position. It will name with the date. It's easy to recognize. So I just keep going. On the chat, I found another position which is I want to save it. So I just go to the menu, enter. 3 buttons, quite straightforward, fast saving. And you can see there's another point here. It saved another location you want to save with. Okay, so now the boat is 79 meters, 81 meters from us. And we keep searching. And you can, from the GPS, you can see from the screen, actually the route is here. It's quite there. It's quite there. I don't know if you can see from the screen. So today we got a very good weather, but still it's hard to see from the camera. And from the screen, you can see there's a little compass on the right hand side button. It indicates the home position. Now the boat is driving away towards to the direction which is opposite to the home position. So you can see actually it's back turned to us. Oh, there's a lot of fish here. I want to save it again. Press the menu, enter. Okay. It's very quiet today. Normally in this reservoir there's lots of swimmers. They were just curious about the boat, about the bait boat. They just wondering. I keep asking me, what's this? I'm telling them it's a bait boat. They thought it's just kind of toy. Yeah, it happens a lot. Okay, so because this reservoir is in the winter time, here the water level drops. So now it's become smaller actually, and when we look at the screen, now the boat is about 230 meters from us, and over there we can see the depth is 4.5 meters. So I probably want to get it back, and what I'm going to do is I want the GPS direct me to the first position I saved. So I just go to the menu. There's a second option which means go to. On the list there's a lot of waypoints I just saved, so I just go to the first waypoints I want to go and press enter. Okay, so on the GPS it draw a green, orange line which indicate me the direction of the first point, and on the compass you can see there's a little red cross here. It also indicates the direction of the point we are going to. So I just turn around. So on the screen actually you can see it's heading to the position we want to go. So the boat is actually go along with the orange line, and on the compass the boat is the right head directed to the little cross we're going to. That's the first saving point we want to go to. Okay, so on the way back I found there's a position got a lot of fish, so I want to save it again. So just do the quick marker. I probably come back later. To fight against the wave. Okay, so approaching the target. Yeah, okay, so that's how we get to the first point we want. And on the screen you can see now it's reaching the first point that we want to save. Okay, so I now want to get it back. So I just go back and see the home point local here. So I just direct the boat towards to this home point. Welcome back, dude. Okay, so on the screen, actually you can read them. Yes, going towards back to the home position. And now with us is 20 meters. Keep going. On the compass you can also see the home point is on the right hand side of the boat. So let's turn a little bit. Yeah, let's turn a little bit. It's approaching. Where are you going by? Okay, so here we are. It's coming back. So that's pretty much for the test of this LUCKYSMART LBT device. LBT GPS is quite straightforward, simple use. There's not so many functions, fancy ones, but it has a basic function. It can save the points, it can direct you to the point, and the signal works perfect. And I think it will be a quite useful tool for those bait boat lovers, for those carp fishing. Okay, thank you. And if you got any question, you can just ask on the button, and we can answer you on that. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye.